All right, guys. Well, hello from Finland. We are in Helsinki. I came here for an Iron Maiden concert, and we're feeling like burgers, so we're gonna check out Friends and Burgers. And they have a couple different gluten-free options. It's right near the main train station in Helsinki, which would be directly over here. So let's go inside and check it out. Nicole got the cheese and onion on gluten-free bun. It comes with a little sticker. Fries are gluten-free also. And I did the bacon burger gluten-free. Pretty good stuff here in Finland with the gluten-free options. Love it. All right, guys, this thing is money. I would rate this definitely top burger I have had, period. Smash patties. Gluten-free bun got a little stuck on the wrapper, but dang, check that thing out. All right, guys, Friends and Burgers was amazing. Definitely recommend it. The food here in Finland has been really, really good. We were actually surprised about all the gluten-free stuff on the menus. And these burgers were delicious. They were pretty greasy, and I feel about 100 pounds heavier. But definitely check this out. It was €30 for both of us with drink and fries. So, all right, guys, from Finland, we're out of here.